So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good. Everything is working fine on your side and you guys are ready for a new strategy. So today we will be so Abhinavji Kunal is there. Yeah. So traders, we are going to talk about a new strategy today. The name of the strategy which we are going to discuss, it's already mentioned in the description side. So name is diving. How to apply it manually, automatically, I will be explaining that thing, how that strategy works, and of course, like always, there is going to be some live action. So I will be showing you that how exactly it works. So I will be showing you some more practical, so that will be more easy for you to understand. But in case if you will be missing something or if you are not able to understand it, of course comment section is already active, so make sure you take full benefit of that one. You just have a conversation with me, share your concern with me, and I will be explaining that. Okay, so again I'm confirming comment section is already active, and before starting the conversation, let me introduce myself again. So my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then, and our community is trying to help our traders in their trading concern. So if you are new to the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to get in touch with you. Abhinavji, I wish you a happy new year also. Same here, sir. Happy to see you, and I wish you the same. I'm sure that this year is going to be so much prosperous for you and everyone. Okay, so let's kick off the session. As I can see that so many traders have already joined, so we should initiate the conversation without wasting any time. So let's start. Okay, so strategy diving, how we will apply it. So this is the application version which is visible in on my screen. So some of the traders, they might be using a laptop application, or they might be using it in a browser, so the interface can be different. But one thing I can tell you, that the technical which we are going to use, that is applicable, or that is available in both of them. Once I'll click on the strategy, it's an advanced level strategy, but that doesn't mean at all that if it is an advanced level strategy or a starter level strategy, so the productivity can be lesser as compared to the expert. This is just a myth. So make sure you just apply the strategy, try it on your demo account, and then conclude whether it is working for you or not. Okay, so I can see that so many traders have already joined. So traders, let's try to make this session a bit more interactive. Just let me know from where you have joined. So like your location, like which part, which country. So that will be more exciting for me to, know that I am sitting in one corner and I am just having a conversation with my friends sitting in the another one. So that is quite impressive for me, or like I feel a bit more motivated. So just try to make it a bit more interactive, a bit more motivated session, because if you will be motivating me, of course I will be doing the same. So I will be sharing my information. Yeah, so how exactly it works, so let me tell you. So a small description video is there, how exactly it works, it's mentioned here also, but for now you do not need to spend time on that one. I will be explaining that. So in this one we are going to use SMA, which is simple moving average with the frequency of 20, rate of change with the frequency of 7 and 40. So we will be picking two different time windows. Once I click on enable strategy, so everything is going to be visible. So simple moving average, like if you talk about that one, that is quite very interesting. So that can work in two different manners. So like either you can use it as a trend following strategy, or at the same time, if you will increase their strength, if you will increase their frequency, so they act as a support and resistance also. Like I'm just trying to give an example of Jack-Tar also. So in Jack-Tar, that is a different set of rule. Like this is just an example I am giving. For now we will not be diving into that, but I am just giving you a quick information about that one. So if you are using SMA with a shorter frequency, you can use it as a trend following strategy, but if you are using it with a higher one, so you can use them as a like support or resistance. At the same time, what exactly we are going to focus on, so it's very easy to understand this strategy. So this is the SMA frequency line. What exactly we are going to focus on, so when we will observe that these candles are appearing on the upper side of this SMA, then they will be indicating that market can move into the upward. And at the same time, if the candles are below this SMA, so they will be stating that the market can move into the downward direction. Now the second confirmation we will be getting from the ROC, rate of change. So in ROC, we will be focusing on the volume. So what we will be observing, that when the volume will start decreasing, or when the candle will start moving towards this SMA, then you will observe that the volume is keep on decreasing, and once and then there can be a price correction. So price correction means if the market is keep on moving upward, then the market is starting moving downward, and once we will observe that the volume intersected this zero level, this base level in the downward, then they will be stating that the market can move into the downward. Now there are a couple of more things which we need to focus on. First, traders, it's a financial market, so there is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So make sure you focus on that part. You focus on your learning part as well. It's not only about earning, it's also about learning. So you need to focus on that. This is the first. Second thing, this session is live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be taking right away, that will be visible to you after some time. So there is a possibility that if you will be trying to do some copy trading, that can lead to some negatives. You can also observe what's the time available in the completion of candle on my screen and on the live chart, and then you will be able to observe that how much time difference is there. Okay, and the last thing, all the trades which I am going to take during this session, everything is going to be depending on my skill set. I will be the responsible one for that, but you need to take care about the learning part, because this session is hardly active for next 45 minutes, but you have to take care about trade after that also. Okay, just keep on commenting, traders. I will be coming to the comment section also. Before that, let's kick off the what we call live action, and let's do some trades. And as I have already shared that what exactly you are supposed to use, so we will be using SMA 20, rate of change 14 and 7. So this can be applied manually also. So in case if any of my friend who is on starter level, then no need to bother yourself about buying this strategy or spending something on that one. Just apply it manually, no need to buy it. Okay, now let's start. I will be sharing some more information while taking some trades, just to make it a bit more easy for you to understand. So irrespective of the asset, we will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on moving from one asset to another asset, and we will try to grab our opportunities. So irrespective of the asset, set of rule is going to be remain same. Suggested time frame for this strategy is minimum 1 minute chart time frame, and the trade time frame will be 2 to 3 candles. Anikeji, just drop your comment. I will be helping you with that one. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me at least take one trade, so that we can show some examples, and after that I will be coming to the comment section also for sure. Nothing to worry. Whatever doubt you have, just drop it in the comment section. Okay, so this signal is quite nice, but we are quite late. But let's do one thing. Let's kick off the session and let's take our first trade. Okay, so the first trade, if we would have opened this opportunity at the beginning of this candle, there was a better opportunity, but let's try, because US market is about to be there, so we can expect some sudden volatility. Okay, so market is trying to move into the upward direction, but now you can observe one thing. One ROC is stating that market can move into the upward, the another one is stating market in downward, so that is something dicey. At the same time, you can observe that these candles are they are stick to the SMA, so we will not be taking trade on that one. Let's try, or let's stick to the 1 minute. I was planning to reduce the chart time frame, but let's stick to that. Okay, very nice signal, but we missed, even though there was a resistance level breach also. Another level was also breached, but we are quite late. No worries, no worries. Rather than taking any trade on any random assumption, we will be wasting our money, or we will be wasting our time. So we will be focusing on something solid. So we will be waiting for a signal where all the confirmations are there. Okay, so far nothing, or let's do one thing. So we will try to analyze with the set of market. So let's try first on composites, then we will try on commodities. So that's how we can bifurcate them. Okay, so market is trying to move into the upward direction. Okay, one trade we have opened on Asia composite. Let's try on compound also if we have any opportunity. Nothing so far. Crypto composite, what exactly it's saying? Quite far. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take some comments. As I can see that we are having so many comments in the pipeline. So many traders, they are waiting for their reverse. So first of everything, hello to everyone. Okay, so Sahil is saying, सर मैं $1.25 से ट्रेड करता हूँ और मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ कि रोज कितना ट्रेड लूँ per session. Okay, Sahil, see, that is good to know that you are stick to one specific amount. So this is showing that you have patience, enough patience, and this is something which I'll appreciate. Patience is also something that which has to be there when you start trading. So it's good to see that you are having patience. You are stick to one specific amount. Now let me answer your question. So your question is that how many trades you should take. So first, to answer that, make sure you answer yourself that how much money you want to make in platform. Now there might be some traders, those who will be stating that, sir, I want to make $100. Some will be stating $50 is enough. Some will be stating that I need $500. So as per that target, you need to calculate that how many trades you need to do. Like for an example, if you are taking a trade with $1, okay, and you want to make $50 in one day, so for that one you need to take somewhere around 60 trades. If your success rate is profitability is somewhere around 88-89% or 90%, right? 60 successful trades. And to take 60 successful trades, it's not going to be like that all trades are going to be in your favor. So of course there might be some trades those who will be going negative, so somehow you need to execute around 70 to 75 trades. Now some traders will be stating that, sir, that is going to be a very long journey if I am going to take a trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and that is going to consume so much time. That completely accepted. I completely understand that. So for that one, there is one more thing which you can consider, that is what we call money management. If you are stick to same amount, that is completely fine. I'm not suggesting that you should increase it, but in case if somebody is eager to make money quickly and they are stating that we do not have that much time, then what exactly you can do? Take 3 trades. If all 3 trades are positive, increase your capital. But how much you should increase? That should be the question. Now, how much you should increase it? Let's make a easy calculation. Whatever the profit you have made from last 3 trades. Whatever the profit you have made from last 3 trades, deduct 20% from that. Like for an example, if I have made $2.50, or let's assume I have made, let's try to make it in a better way. Like I have made, let's assume we have made $2.50. So deduct 25 cents from that. So now you are left with 2.25. Now divide it by 2. You can either do in that way, or without deducting 20%, just whatever the profit you have made, divide it by 2 and then take one trade with that amount. Like divided by 2 means 2.50 divided by 2 is 1.25. So you will increase your trade amount by 25 cents. You will again take next 3 trades. If trades are positive, good to see. If negative, move back to $1. And if trades are positive, then make that 1.25 to 1.50 or 1.75. But make sure you increase it slowly and gradually. And the major thing you need to focus on, that if the trade is positive, the trade which you are going to take after that profit, that should be covered within the profit which you have generated. That should not touch your capital at all. So in a short form, if you have made a profit of $2.5 from last 3 trades, you will not be taking next trade for $3, because if the trade will go negative, you will be losing the profit, of course, but at the same time you will be losing additional 50 cents from your capital. But we will try to hold our capital in that. Okay, so for that one, how many trades you should take, you need to focus on that, how much money you need to make. Okay, so one trade was positive, one was negative. Let's check what exactly can be there. Okay, so market moved into the backward direction. Okay, so we were quite late also. No problem. Let's keep on hunting again. So we will switch our assets, we will keep on shuffling again. In case if we will be finding any opportunity, we will be taking a trade. Till that we will stay calm. Okay, so any signal so far? We can think about it. Okay, so this one is not based on the strategy which I am using, so that is the reason that I haven't explained. But if the trade will go positive, I will be explaining that what exactly I have focused on. There was an opportunity to grab a bit earlier also on the same asset, but we were quite late. But no worries, no worries, we will. Okay, so this level is quite near, so in case if this level will be breached, next level is also quite near. So in case if market will bounce back, we will take a trade in the downward. Okay, so Astro Composite, let's have a look on Astro. Market is stuck somewhere. Cricket Composite Index, signal can be there, but it's quite fishy. Okay, let's try. Okay, and traders, one more thing, I am keep on opening back to back trades. The reason behind that, I just want to show you that more and more examples, but with you there are no such compulsion. You do not need to follow the same thing. Just focus on one trade, execute that one, wait for the result. If the trade is positive, you can use your money management. If the trade is negative, make sure you use your risk management. Okay, and a few trades are in the pipeline. Let me take a few more comments. Okay, so we have a few friends from Pune, Jaipur, very nice, lovely place, very nice, very nice. Okay, Radhe Radhe, Forex Trading ji, deposit to January not credited. Subhendu ji, I am so sorry if you are facing difficulties with the deposit. Just connect with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. Just share all the required details there. They will be looking into that. Okay, Susmita ji, hello. Ahmed ji, hi. I don't know, sir, why, but today I deposited 1200 INR, but it's not credited in my account, but it's debited from my account. I have contacted support team by creating tasks, but they do not respond. Abhinav ji, nothing to worry. If you have already sent the required details, so they will be creating a task to the relevant department, and once any update will be there, so they will be getting in touch with you. Nothing to worry, your funds are safe, you will be getting it shortly. Anika ji, hello brother, मेरी कोई मदद कर सकता है? Anika ji, what exactly you are looking forward? Just tell me your concern. Hi bro, my withdrawal is not coming. Vishal ji, just connect with the support team, because see, traders, let me clear on one thing, that I am from a VIP department, so the major hold we have, that is on the trading part. So deposit, withdrawal, verification, support, everything is being taken care by them. So I just request you, just connect with them, they will be the best one to help you with that. Okay, Aditya ji is saying fake hai. Aditya ji, may I know the reason for that? Like, why you feel that this platform is fake? Like, please just share your experience so that I can clarify your doubt. But for the reference, we are regulated by government of Vanuatu. We are member of FinCom also, so there is nothing like that one. And of course, every now and then we are conducting sessions. We are giving so many opportunities to our traders. We are conducting one-to-one session. We are conducting Zoom session just for you, just to help you in your trading concerns, just to help you with the technicals, and we are not charging anything for that. And at the same time, if you think that we are fake, then understand one thing, sir, like we should be stating something like that, sir, to recover 10,000 rupees, you should make an investment of 20,000, or let's start taking trades with 15,000. But what exactly we are saying, sir? Start slow, trade with a small amount. The reason behind, because we also want you to trade properly, so that you will be able to grow your capital. Okay, so very nice signal was there, so fortunately we managed to grab. Okay, so we took 3 trades. Okay, so 2 trades went negative. I think all we just need to, let me just have a look on this trade, and then we will be making a, okay. So if we would have opened the opportunity at the beginning of candle, better opportunity, or at the same time, I think we need to change the chart trade time frame. Let me analyze the another trade also. So on stable, what can be done to improve it? Okay, so in this one, so there was a reversal, nothing, no problem. Okay, and after that this level was also breached and market moved into the upward. No worries. So far I have concluded that the time frame which we were trading from the earlier part is not working anymore for us. So we need to just switch the chart time, trade time frame. So I have switched from 2 minute to 3 candle. Okay, a few more trades again in the pipeline, and let me take a few more comments. Anikeji, just let me know your concerns so that I can help you. Hi man. Saji, hello. पैसे कैसे नील जाता हूँ उसका तरीका. Sayed Rohula ji, I'm so sorry I didn't got your question. Just explain it again. So, okay. So current news, nice. Thank you so much. Please help me. Time Hartzenberg, just let me know your concern. Is it safe for trading? See, sir, Dev Collection ji, that is completely fine if you are focusing on learning part also. I'm used to repeat one thing: trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time, learn about it. If you learn about the technicals, if you learn about the strategies, if you learn about everything, then it is safe. But if you think that last 4 candles were green, next can be green, last 4 candles were red, next can be red, that is not trading. That is just a mind assumption, that is just a fluke, that is just a random calculation, that is not trading at all. So if you want to trade like that way, this is not safe at all. But if you think that, okay, I'm Kunal, okay, I'm ready to spend some time, I'm ready to invest some time, I'm having that patience that, okay, if I am facing one loss, I will be controlling my emotion and then I will be trading accordingly, then it is safe. Okay, so far we have we tried to take a couple of trades on the composites. So let's do one thing, let's switch to some currencies, or let's move to commodity. No, commodities we have very less profitability. Composites is fine. Cryptos are very volatile nowadays. Let's have a look on let's have a look on currency pairs. Okay, so any signal no far. And just an addition point, traders, so you can focus on one more thing. So whenever you are using any strategy, irrespective of the strategy name or this set of rule, if you are using Japanese candle, make sure you consider 3 more conditions. First one, always trade in trending market, as there is a quote, trend is your friend, so you need to focus on that part first thing. Okay, so this trend went positive, and next one is also looking nice, very nice. So almost 15 seconds to go, let's focus on that one. Okay, so it's looking fine. Yeah, so what exactly I was talking about, so always trade in trending market, also consider, and here we go, we added another $12 in our profit bucket, very nice. Yeah, always consider the trending market. I'm so sorry, I keep on repeating the same thing. Second thing, also consider the candle formation. Bigger the body, smaller the wick, that can be considered as a suitable candle. At the same time, like, there are n number of rules, n number of candle formation, but this is the basic one which you can consider. And the second thing, if you will observe that if there is a candle, like if there is a green candle, a very long wick at the bottom and a very small body in the upward direction, so what exactly it's showing, that market move into the downward direction, but there was a rejection and market move upward. So what exactly is showing, that the buyers are in strength. In the vice versa, if there is a very big wick on the upward direction and very small body at the bottom, then it will be indicating that the market was trying to move into the upward direction, but sellers are in the power. So what exactly is saying, that market can move in that specific direction. But just to keep it simple, bigger the body, smaller the wick, that can be considered as a suitable candle. Third thing which you have to focus on, which you should consider always, mark my words, you should always consider that thing, that whenever the market is near to any price level means market is having any near to any support level or resistance level. What exactly it means, let me show you also. So whenever market is moving in any specific direction, sometime market is getting stuck at some specific points. Like if I'll take an example of this point along with this, or if the market is moving in the upward, so this can be considered as a level of resistance. So whenever the market is near to that one, just wait for the confirmation. Either the market will break that level or will bounce back from there. So then take trade according to that. Let me take a few more comments. So many comments are there. Okay, so natural lyrics, of course we can try to use this on boom 300 also. I will try to use on that one. Just take me a few more comments. Okay, so is it safe to deposit? Yes, Dev Collection Ji, you can make. Let me take. Okay, we can use area chart. That is completely up to you, Devji. Like whichever is your preference. Like what exactly I am used to use. I am preferring Japanese candle, but sometime I am using area chart, or sometime I am using that Heikeneishi candle also. So that is going to be your choice. If you can use area chart for trading, I'm not that much fond of. The reason behind, let me tell you the reason for that also. So sometime, like if you are applying some strategy on the top of that one, so it is very hard to analyze that which one is chart and which one is the strategy. And the second one, you will not be able to draw the levels, support or resistance. And support or resistance, something which I am very fond of. I am used to grab a hold on that one. So that is the reason I'm not using that one, to be honest. Hello sir, very good evening. Very good evening sir. Sir, we can use area. Okay, why do you trade fixed time trade? Looks like child's play to me. See, Yanji, like in case if we are trading on forex mode, the setup rule is going to be remain same, or we just need to open our position for a longer duration. So in case if I will be opening a position and that is going to take 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or even more than that one, then throughout the trade or throughout the session we will be able to open only one trade. And at the same time, I have seen like majority of the viewers, they are very fond of the fixed time trade, so that is the reason that I am using that one. Thank you so much Sahil ji, no problem. By Hindi mein. Tausif ji, I'm so sorry, today's conversation is supposed to be in English, so if you are comfortable with Hindi or Urdu, Tuesday, Thursday, same channel, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard, we are conducting sessions there also. Okay, Kanan, sir, I didn't got your comment, so it's 10,000 or 100,000. Sir, we can use area chart, again the same, sir, I have deposited $100, but it hasn't been credited to my live account, please help me. Jayanand ji, just connect with the support team, they will be the one. Nice. So we have some viewers from Egypt. Very nice, very nice. Okay, don't teach me nothing. Yanji, I didn't got your comment. Don't teach me nothing. What exactly you want to learn? Like, is there anything specific you want to ask? Please send synergy name. Strategy name. Okay, Durgesh ji, today we are using a diving strategy. Down at Crypto Composite. Sorry sir, I think I have missed your comment, but thank you so much for the opportunity. You tried to help me. Sir, we can use area chart. Dev Collection ji, that is completely depending on you, and traders requesting you, please do not spam your comment, because of course I am used to check all the comments from the top to bottom. So in case if you have already mentioned it at one place, of course I will be taking care of that one. Don't do binary trading until you are able to analyze the graph. Exactly, Nikhil ji, I am 100% agree with you, because see, if you are just focused on random fluke, then it is binary, but if you are making analysis, then it is trading. And our platform is hardcore trading platform, it's not a binary platform. So what exactly I am trying to say, so if any market news is happening into the all across the world, so you will be finding the results here. If you will be using some technicals, you will be finding the results here. So it's a trading platform, so do not consider it as a binary platform, and do not trade according to that. Okay, maybe down at Bitcoin. Abhinav ji, we should not take trade on maybe. Okay, is it safe for deposit or withdrawal of money, and we can use area chart? Dev ji, yes, you can make deposit, you can make withdrawal, and that is completely up to you. If you are able to analyze the area chart, you can use that one. If you want to use this Japanese one, you can pick this one, or Heikeneishi, or the last one. So that is completely your choice, you can. Okay. The reason why exactly we use why I am using Japanese candles, so we can draw the price levels. Okay, so we managed to book another profit on Astro. Let's analyze a few more assets, and So traders, you might have observed one thing, that initially we started making some losses and we just make a very small change in our strategy. Nothing specific and nothing rigorous and nothing like, okay, so I'm sure that, okay, it's 7, some data is reflected in the market and we can see a very big, very nice big red candle. Okay, so we should take a break on the, I think, currency for some time. Let's move back to the composites. Okay, so yeah, so what exactly I was talking about? I was talking about that I have just make a very small change. I have just changed the trade time frame from 2 candle to 3 candle, and we can observe that we started making profit. So these are the things like which you need to focus on, that what can be done, and sometimes these small changes, they are enough. They are literally, they are good enough to change the picture. Okay, so let's look forward for a few more. Okay, so we are quite late. Signal is quite old because candle started appearing below the SMA almost 2 candles before, and at the same time ROC changed the direction 1 candle before. So I think we should, okay, so that should be skipped. Let's look forward for more. Okay, so market is moving in the upward direction, but the resistance level is quite near. No, that cannot be picked. We should not be picking that one. Okay, so what exactly this one is stating again? Resistance level is very quite near. Let's switch it. And traders, this is approach which I think that you should also follow, rather than stick on one specific asset. Keep on switching. 2 reasons. First one, sometime you might not be able to grab a hold, or sometime like the signal is not there, so it will be taking some time. If you have enough patience, then good to see. But in case if you do not have that much patience, then you might be able to grab it on some another asset, right? Second thing, when you will keep on focusing on one specific asset, then you will, your mind will start making some assumption that this is something happened 10 candles before, 15 candles before, and this is going to happen again. There is a possibility that your assumption might work once or twice, but it's not gonna work every time. So what exactly will happen? You will take one trade. If by fortune your one trade will go positive, you will take another by increasing the capital. But that is only based on some assumption or some random calculation, and that is not going to execute some positive trades. So that is something which you should avoid. And if you are trading on one specific asset, this is a very common mistake which most of the traders are used to make. So that is the reason that we always suggest, keep on shuffling your card, keep on shuffling your assets. Okay, so we have more comments. Sir, can we sir explain horizon strategy? Kumar ji, I'm so sorry, but today we are talking about the diving horizon. I have talked about the same strategy in the last session, so that was held on 7th of January. You can just go to the playlist, you will be finding the recording there, so you can have a look on that. मेरा अकाउंट भी सस्पेंड हुआ था लेकिन अब वापस ओपन हो गया है, टाइम लगा लेकिन हो गया. सर आई एम नॉट like which account, sir? Traders, if you are facing any difficulties with the verification or something, so let me give you one information, that whenever the verification initiated, make sure you upload the document, so your account will be unblocked in case if that is blocked. Sir, forex trade without time trade. Umar LG Olymptrade की link send करे. Hello sir. Sir, you can just search it on the Play Store. You will be finding it easily. Okay, so Aniket ji, what exactly you are looking forward? Just let me know. You are just asking for help, but how can I help you? Just let me know. Olymptrade की link send. Mohi ji, you can find it there. शराब सुबह मैंने 35,000 लगा दिए, प्लीज कॉल, मेरे पास बैंक जा रहा है. शराब सुबह मैंने 35,000 लगा दिए, प्लीज कॉल, मेरे पास बैंक जा रहा है चेक करने, हेल्प मी. अनिकेत जी, आई डिडंट गॉट. सर प्लीज मेरी कॉल, मेरी फ्रेंड जा रही है, बैंक चेक करेंगे. Aniket ji, what exactly, like you made some losses, like 35,000, what exactly you want to say? ट्रेन से बिना पूछे मैंने शेयर मार्केट पैसे इन्वेस्ट कर दिए सर, मैंने सारे पैसे just make only one post, one comment and mention everything. Like, so far I am understanding that you have made some investment somewhere around 35,000, and what happened with that one? Like, what exactly, what help you are looking forward from me? सर प्लीज मेरी मदद करें। सर मेरे प्राइमरी बैंक अकाउंट में बंद कर दिया है जिससे आई यूज टू डिस्क्राइब करता हूँ, मैं अपने दूसरे बैंक अकाउंट से डिपॉजिट कर सकता हूँ? यस साहिल जी, यू कैन स्टार्ट मेकिंग डिपॉजिट विद योर alternate bank account also. That is completely fine. Make sure, like, whenever you are using a new payment method, so sometime system initiate the verification for that one. So make sure once the verification will be initiated, you are able to upload those documents. Okay, so we very nice. So traders, this is something very nice, excited to see that we have a few traders from Rajasthan, Jaipur, and then from Egypt, and then now we have one friend from Nigeria. Nice. NFB negative data for USD, that is the reason. And okay, so so last that was supposed to be on first Friday, but that was quite early, and some sort of vacation was going on, so that is the reason that the data was delayed. Okay, so about 10 days at the same time, 19 anything about. Okay bro, you take trades. Anas ji, I am trying to take a few more trades also, as I can see that I have picked majority of comments. Okay sir, today US government released about 10 dates at the same 10 datas at the same time, 19. Sir, like, I'm so sorry, like, I was occupied in this session, so I didn't have a look on that one. But for the data and everything, Abhinav ji, the best which I'll suggest, so one of my colleague Akash, he is used to conduct a sessions on every Monday on the same channel, 6:30 in English. So he is talking about all the data which is about to be published in the market, so he is used to give information about that one. Unfortunately today I was quite busy. You might have observed that I haven't even opened much trades also from the morning itself, so I was not able to do that. Okay, so let's try to take a few more trades. We still have some time, and traders, in case if any doubts are there. Okay, Jharkhand, very nice. Sir, आपके कर सकते हैं. See, Alia ji, I'll suggest do not copy trade. The reason behind, because there is a telecast gap which lies between 25 second, 30 second to 1 minute. So you can observe my screen and just open the chart, live chart on the platform. You will observe that how many seconds are available, or like on which candle the live chart is showing. Now market will move down on gold, but we are quite late. So you will be able to observe that what exactly is the time gap, so that can lead to some negatives. Hello sir, my withdrawal problem. Pigeon, I request you connect with the support team, and if the withdrawal is in process, the standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of withdrawals, like 90 to 95%, they are already processed, like they are processed in within 24 hours. But still, if anything is taking time, just wait for some time. Once your turn will be there, of course relevant department will work on that one, and your amount will be processed. Thank you so much sir, I also love you, and in fact I love you all guys. Okay, so we are still having almost 10 minutes, and I'm just trying to grab a few more opportunities to make a bit more profit. Let's open this one, and best trading time in India. Okay, so sir, as per that, like, there is nothing like that when you will be making a back-to-back profit or back-to-back losses, but like the time frame which I am following, I'm just giving you as per my experience. So I'm used to start somewhere around, as per Indian time, so that should be somewhere around 11 and 11 a.m. From 11 to 5 p.m. that is the max which I am used to trade. I'm used to trade only within that window, and in case if I want like during these one-to-one, like this group sessions, I am trading during this time window. And in case if you want to trade after that also, then I can give you one quick suggestion, that you can try to avoid taking trades just 1 second. Yeah, so you can try to avoid taking trades from 645 to 750, because at that time US market is about to open, and then US market open up, so sometime we find some volatility, so you can take a break, like that 30-minute break on that one, and after that you can. Okay, so best timing this done, bro. Take trade. Unless I'm trying to take trades whenever I'm getting any opportunity. Okay, so again another comment. Hello Genius is asking, sir, how much time martingale you follow? See, hello Genius ji, I am a fan of martingale, but not up to that extent. Like, I'm used to follow martingale, but I have a set of rules. So what exactly majority of the traders or a basic trader is used to follow. So they will take one trade. If the trade is negative, they will double up the amount. If again the trade is negative, they will calculate both of them, like they will add both of them, and then they will double them. Now one question to you or every trader: does increasing the capital assure that the trade will go positive? And I'm sure everyone is having the same answer: no. Right? Your technicals are the one, those who are going to help you in that. Martingale is not the one. Martingale is like, there are so many traders, those who are believing that martingale is a strategy, it's a technical strategy. No. Martingale is just a money management, or it's like a risk management. It's not a strategy. Specifically, it's not a technical strategy. First thing. Second thing, if that is not going to comment, or that is not going to showcase, or that is not going to confirm that by increasing the capital you are going to make a better profit, then why do we need to increase it? Right? Now let's move back to the that comment, that topic, that how frequently I am used to do, or how exactly I am used to do, because it's a very vast topic, one of my favorite topic, because majority of traders are struggling with that one. But I will not be diving into that because we are having some shortage of timing. But let me tell you that how exactly I am used to do martingale. So I have a set of rule that max to max I will be using 3-step martingale. So if first trade is negative, I will increase the amount. Second trade is negative, I will increase the amount. If the third trade is also negative, I will just move back to the first one, or I will trade with the bare minimum. The reason behind, because if I'll keep on increasing the capital, it will hardly take 1 hour or 2 hours to wipe out my complete capital. Right? Second thing, now what exactly traders are used to do, let me explain it with one example. So if there are two traders, both of them are having $100 in their trading account. The first trader, what exactly he did? First trade $10 negative, second trade $20 negative, third trade $60 negative. He used a basic martingale. After 3 trades, 90% capital wiped off, only 10% capital is available in the trading account. So what exactly you will be doing, or majority of traders are used to have a tendency, invest everything, either wipe it off or make something. 90% you will make a loss. The reason behind, no calculation, only aggression. Now my style, what exactly I am used to do, what exactly we are supposed to focus. We just need to focus, or we need to recover the funds which we have lost, right? So what I will be doing, I will be taking my first trade with $10. If the trade is negative, I will increase the capital and I will take next trade with the $13, 13. If the trade will be positive, I will be recovering the previous one. If the trade is negative, I will increase the amount. 13 plus 10, 23, let's make it round figure, 27 next trade. If the third trade will go negative, now what exactly is the difference? First trader, he lost behind 3 trades, 90% of the capital. For me, I have made 3 losses while recovering those funds, but I still have 50% of my capital available. The reason behind, because the basic trading rule, what exactly it says, you can make capital if you have capital. Right? So that is a reason that you should use a martingale in a better way, so that you should be able to hold your capital. I know if any one of trade will go positive, you will recover everything and you will make a profit. But what if the trade will not go positive and you will wipe out everything? That is something which you need to focus on. Thank you so much, sir, for your comment. Okay, indicator oscillator setting period. Hari Om ji, for this one, all you just need to apply the SMA, simple moving average, with the frequency of 20, rate of change with 14 and 7, and the chart time frame for this one suggested is 1 minute, trade time frame 2 to 3 candles. That's it. You can just scroll it back and you can have a look again. Sir, could you please explain in detail about the indicators and oscillators we are using in this strategy? Like, what does ROC stands for? Sir, that is rate of change. So it is showing somewhere around like the what exactly is the volume is happening in the market. So if it is below the zero level, so volume is increasing of the seller, and like the more strength is on the seller side and market can move into the downward. At the same time, if the volume is in the upward direction, so upward side. Now the basic rule of these frequency like 13, 14, 15, so what exactly it is going to calculate, that if I'll give a quick example, so 14 means it's going to calculate the volume on the basis of last 14 candles. 7 means 7 candles, so that's how exactly it's calculated. SMA is simple moving average. Simple moving average that works in two different manners. If it is with a shorter time duration, then you can consider it as a trend following. If there is an intersection of two SMAs, that can be the direction of the market. But if you are using it with a longer time duration, then they will act as a support or resistance. In this one also, that if we will calculate in the that manner, so it's a frequency of 20. So if the market is breaching this level and candles start appearing on the upwards direction, that means that the resistance level is breached and market is moving upward. So you can consider it in that way also. I'm just giving you or trying to relate it with the Jactar strategy. So once you will use it anyhow, or like if you will explore any of my previous session where we have talked about Jactar, so you will be able to correlate it, what exactly I'm trying to say. Okay, so we have a few more comments. Sir, this market pigeon, sir, this market office, what you want to ask? Indicator oscillator. Hariom ji, I hope I have already cleared your doubt, but still, in case if you have doubt, you can scroll it back. Okay, hello Jean is asking, sir, I have, okay, where is it? Where is it? Sir, I have heard about Olymptrade, the total withdrawal is equal to the total deposit. Is it correct? See, let me explain it in a better way. So total deposit and total withdrawal is going to be the limit. The reason behind is, it's not like that how many deposits you have made or how much deposit you have made today. For an example, while using a UPI payment method, you have made a 10 deposit, each deposit for $10. So all in all, within that specific time window, that is going to be $100, your complete limit for the withdrawal. On the same side, you have used another UPI, you have made 10 deposit, each deposit for $50. So your limit will be 500 for that specific method. The reason behind it is that, for an example, if I lost my device, or if I'll leave it anywhere and my trading account is open there, and if somebody will find that, okay, Kunal is having 10,000 in his trading account, let's withdraw something. So when they will try to make a withdrawal from that one, then they will find a disclaimer that you can make a withdrawal to the account from where you have made a deposit. Now if they think that, okay, let's make a deposit for $10 and withdraw 10,000, then again they will get a pop-up that you have made a deposit of $10 only from this account, then you will be able to withdraw only $10. So this is basically for the safety of your account. But in case if that is your own account and you have been using that specific method from a very long time, then of course your limit will be higher. At the same time, in case, just for an example, that your limit is $500 for an example, but you manage to book a profit of 700, then that doesn't mean that you have to leave 200 behind. Make one withdrawal of 500. Once that will be processed, initiate the next withdrawal. So that doesn't mean at all that how many deposits you have made, you will be able to withdraw only that much fund. You can withdraw the complete capital, whatever the profit you have made. All you just need to focus on that once one of them will be processed, then you will be initiated the next one. Okay. So thank you so much for explaining, Martin. I want to assist. Is it true in Olymptrade the total withdrawal we cannot withdraw more? No, not at all, sir. Like in one transaction, if the limit is exhausted, you can initiate the next. सर मैं एक 12:30 PM में ट्रेड करता हूँ और एक दूसरा ट्रेड कौन से टाइम में लूँ जब मार्केट में अच्छा वॉल्यूम रहे, EMA को रिस्पेक्ट करें? See Sahil ji, that cannot be generalized, or like this is something like we need to focus on. There is a possibility some data will float, some information will float, so we have to focus on these part also. So there is not something like we can generalize that I will be taking first trade on 12:30, second trade on this time. Okay, if you want to trade on some specific time window, then make sure you try to focus on fundamental information. Fundamental means that whenever there is some data floating into the market, every now and then, like you can explore different websites are there, or you can get in touch with Akash ji, so he will be explaining that from where you can pick the data, from where you can pick the information, and this is what we call news based trading. So this is something which you can focus on. Okay, and for that one, just stay focused, stay in touch with the economic calendar, and whenever there's some data will be floating, or there will be information that at that specific time window this data is going to be floated into the market, so then just make sure you are active on the platform, and then you can execute. You are very good explainer, thank you so much, sir. There is one more. Early morning, can we trade? Sir, you can trade at any moment, because different assets are available at different time windows, so you can trade at any moment, but make sure that at that time whenever you are trading in the market, make sure there is a proper trend in the market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward, sideways. So you need to focus on these things, that if the market is keep on moving upward, downward, you can focus on, but if the market is in flat mode, always upward, this is the best which I can suggest. The reason behind, again, you can consider it as a support or resistance level, because when the market is flat, support level is very near, resistance level is very near. So if you will try to take a trade within that one, that will be very hard for you. Okay, so last couple of more comments. Early morning, you are very good, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful session. See you in the next session. Bye, sir. Take care. Thank you so much, Abhinavji. I wish you the same. And traders, thank you so much for your time, your comments, and I hope that was quite interactive session, so thank you so much for making that one, and I hope that I was able to clear everyone's doubt. In case if I have missed something, I really apologize for that, but we will try to get in touch with again in coming future, and where we will be explaining more and more strategies. So make sure, before winding up today's conversation, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, anyone from my department, or like anyone from my team, so of course you will be able to get in touch with them. So till that, I request you, please make sure stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning, keep earning. Make sure whatever you have learned today, make sure you practice it on your demo account. Once you will be able to understand that one, only then take it to your live account. Okay, thank you so much. I salute to your dedication. Thank you so much, sir. You didn't miss even thank you so much, sir. Okay, so hello genius, sir, please make a full video in total deposit and total withdraw in Olymptrade. No video available, sir. For that one, just go to the deposit section, you will be finding everything there, or you can just go in this help section also. Sahil ji, like we are conducting sessions on majorly 5 days: Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English 6:30 to 7:30, Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi 4 to 5. So I am used to come twice or thrice live on this channel. Like after that, sometime like my colleagues are used to come live. Saturday, Sunday, can we do trade? Yes, sir. Like some assets are available on weekends also, so you can trade that. Okay, so perfect. I think I have covered everything, but still, in case if I have missed anything, I'm so sorry for that. So traders, again, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for sparing some time. This was your host, your friend, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.